Scrutiny Group analyses our services from a tenant's perspective to find improvements, and they'll look at absolutely anything. They could look at frontline services such as rent collection or the repair service, but they could also look at backroom services such as human resources, recruitment of staff, and then hopefully improve the service for all tenants.
The opportunity of actually doing scrutiny from a tenant point of view was just too hard to resist. I thought if I could make a difference to tenants' lives, it would be worthwhile.
There's nothing like being involved in your community. There's nothing like being involved with your landlord where you live to make things better. Everybody deserves somewhere nice to live.
We do a lot of research, we do a lot of best practices to other associations, and then we draft a report to make recommendations to the board. And up till now, they've accepted every one of our recommendations that we've done over the last 9 years.
I'd like to call them our critical friends, because that's exactly what they are. They really want the best for tenants, they really want the best for our services. They can critically analyse our services whilst also not allowing us to take things to heart.
We've got a good working relationship with all the departments within Newydd Housing. We can approach anybody from the highest level all the way down, and notice is taken of what we say.
We need tenants to be involved because they're the users of the service, so they can tell us accurately what it's like to receive Newydd services.
We have won some awards as well. I feel that we're really achieving an awful lot as a group.
I want a nice place to live in, but I want to make things that way for everybody else. So being involved helps you to achieve that.